guys. I'm filming a forward trap toilet outside. Looks a lot better on camera outside. Negotiations. Yeah, see that? Yeah, see that siphon jet action? It's a cool project I made. And it flushes too. Outside in my backyard. Again, afternoon day. Chilling in my neighborhood. Hope we leave soon. See that siphon jet? Oh yeah, it's gonna be. Now let's do a pouring bucket flush. Not sure if you hear the siphon, but all I care about is the filming, you know, of course, water. Hold on a minute. Alright. I don't have much water left, but stupidly, but still works. Okay. Last flush. Please like and subscribe, click the notification squad, and see you guys in the next video. BTR plumbing. Not BTR plumbing, it's VFT plumbing. Do the siphon jet action. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Wait. I'm not done yet. Here's the trapway. And here's the other trapway. And here's the front. Here's the back. The toilet. And then here's the bottom. Alright, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it all. And see you guys. I'm not done yet. I gotta get one more siphon jet action. So, on how the siphon jet works. Be right back. Here's the rim jets too. That's not the only thing interesting about it. The only thing. What is wrong with my word cast? Okay. The only thing that's amazing about this forward trap and interesting is the siphon jet. What is wrong with my voice cast? Come on. Work it up, buddy. Alright, here's the siphon jet. Hear that noise? Oh, crap. This is not good at all. Got my freaking tablet wet. Okay, good. Alright, last flush. Oh, yeah. Surprisingly, it siphoned that flush. Dang it. But, hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye! Yeah, remember, please give this video like 14 likes. If you can, just like... yeah, I got into the SD recorder thing, but it's okay. But I gave it a dry bowl flush. I think I'm gonna do it with my both toilets. My original stuff. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye! Yep.